Okay, now let's practice speaking the T sound changes in some sentences. At the same time, listen for intonation. Which words are stressed, where I naturally pause, and which words are reduced or made soft and small. Repeat. I have an important meeting at 8 a.m. There are 10 line items on the agenda. The team that is monitoring customer data will identify positive and negative points. Our team is presenting a strategy for dealing with threatening, competitive companies. Our meeting will be live on the internet, and some coworkers in other countries will participate virtually. In the afternoon, I plan to venture out of the office and get a salad at a nearby cafe. During lunch, I will scrutinize my notes and highlight fundamental objectives or procedures. From 2 to 5, our team will develop the subtle points of our strategy. After work, there's a big going away party for my coworker. After 20 years of work, he was known as a fixture at the company. I'll know 5 or 6 people, but most people will be acquaintances. Actually, it'll be a good chance to network with a lot of enterprising people. Okay, that completes this lesson.